there ain't no other way. Pack your bags and then you will go away.
Guys, I'm taking over the channel today. That means I am boss. I am the king now. Party leader me. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you don't know who I am, hi, I'm Janiece. I'm much more fun. I'm Rahim, and today I'm taking over the channel.
We're going to Sogakope. We're going on a friendcation.
Hey, friendcation.
Yeah, that's Jeremy, that's Eva. I don't know who this one is. And this Mendy Spam. And this one, King Darren.
Oh, don't tell. It's not.
Mendy Spam. I'll update you as we go. Almost there. Hi, say hi to men.
Where is it?
Say hi to
Mandy, where is it?
Say hi to Jeremy.
It has to be.
Say hi to, what's your name? Sagesh. Yeah. Can I sit inside? I can come there. Bye guys. Also, gas my uncle. What? Peasant. Oh, for speed, we then run. Run, walk, peasant. I don't know if you were here when I give the first time.
Remember?
Ah, you did? Ah, yeah. At the pool, I think.
Rahim Junior. Rahim Junior. Rahim Junior. How are you?
I'm good.
Rahim Junior. Rasbun Tire.
You just said hi, what's your problem? What's the deal? We're about to go swimming. It's so freaking windy over here. When it's like, it's really, I don't know if you guys can even hear me, but we're about to go swimming. I don't really want to record because like people in the pool, so I can't really. Guys, we finally been able to check in. It's like 3 p.m. We've been in the pool like the whole time. My hair is a mess because it's been so windy. But the room tour is basically, we're not in the same room, but it looks the same as the room we're in the last time we were here. Just for those that don't want to go back and watch that video, I'm just going to show you guys a little bit. So the light here is really bad, so excuse that, but this is the bathroom. It's really big and yeah, I love it. It has like some African vibes to it, as you guys can see. And the executive room, by the way, I think here there are standard rooms and executive rooms. We're in the executive rooms. This is a very huge bed, mirror right over there, and yeah, nice for the room. And my favorite part, of course, is outside. So we have this patio gate right here. So it's get really windy at this point, but this is the jacuzzi.
My vlog.
Sorry.
Hi guys, I'm back again. I don't know who that girl was, but she was trying to hijack the channel. I'm not having none of that. So everything she said and more.
I didn't finish showing them outside, so should
So yes, outside we got a jacuzzi. The last time we were here, it was a bit of a technical difficulty, you know. Yeah, nice view. Jeremy's on this side, Osman's on this side.
I'm supposed to be vlogging, but he keeps forgetting and he's not here right now. So I just wanted to update you guys. I just took a shower. This is my outfit. It's really cute. I love the dress. It's a bit too early for dinner. It's like 4 something. So we're just going to chill for a bit. Yo, come do your job. Come and vlog. Come show my outfit.
Come on, sir.
Alright. Anyways, you can talk to him now. I just wanted to show my outfit.
I don't know, we're just chilling.
Yeah. I'm hungry.
Jeremy too is hungry.
What time does dinner start?
I don't know.
Why are you holding it like that?
Hi guys.
Hi guys. Isn't my booty big?
It is. Booty don't jiggle jiggle. I'll update you when it's time.
Remember when I had a flat ass?
Yes.
Do y'all remember when I had a flat ass?
We'll update you when it's time to update you.
No, it's bad. This vlog right here is taking over. Have you seen me? Yes, for the camera. I've not been recording. Like by the time I don't have content for you. Hey, please. I cannot buy it. Show inside. What's my dear? This has vanished. But we're about to get into the jacuzzis. Everyone is in their jacuzzi, so we're about to just get into it and just chill. Tell them what we are doing.
We are doing tortilla challenge.
Oh, why are you holding it like that?
I think the way will make it even funnier.
Why are you holding it like that?
If you see one stab, you have to one.
Hey!
Alright, so anyways, we're about to play a game called the Tortilla challenge, right? It's basically us taking a sip of water and then playing rock, paper, scissors. And the loser is to receive a slap. It's tortilla bread. Where's the bread? Let's show them the bread. Fresh and juicy.
You're playing, yes. So everyone. Like, that's how you feel. You didn't take what they are like.
Rock, paper, scissors.
What?
Rock, paper, scissors.
So now, shing, shang, shong. No, now the next round. Next round, Jaja, where's your bread? No. Give him a slap.
Give the slap. Give the slap. Bring yourself.
Jaja, I need to start. Stand from and receive it. 3, 2, 1, go! He even broke his bread.
What's red?
That's part of the challenge.
She tired. I got you. I got you, oh God. She's so bubble. Oh, Eva.
Okay.
Eva.
Okay, come.
Okay, Eva, let's play the game.
Okay, come. I'm going. Right.
The waste of luck. The waste of luck. Yeah, just wait. Yes! A very potent ultimate. She will go again. You're so good. Oh, you're good.
That sound is killing me. Oh, right.
Where are you going? Hey, boy, go.
Oh, wait.
I can record.
You can't have a game. Relax.
Yeah.
Hold it. Wait.
Hand slap.
Go.
Oh, wait.
Oh, that was easy. I just want to whistle.
Yeah, use it.
Oh no, it's actually it's supposed to be.
Get this one. Go away.
This one, no matter what, it's going to.
It's 6 p.m. It's 8 in the morning. It's kind of warm outside today. I think it's better than yesterday.
So
It was really cool outside.
it's still windy, even though it's warm, it's still windy.
I mean, it's because of the location. I think we're high up.
The water surf fast. You see earlier he was scared. Now he's chilling in the water surf. He likes the water surf. What is it?
You know how deep it is?
I'm for it.
From the pillars. Oh, I want to do that.
It smells like fish.
Don't let go.
Jeremy! You didn't go again?
My sister wants to go too. boats ride. I'm so excited. I went on a jet ski earlier, as you guys saw. It was so fun, but it was so scary at the same time. Anyways, I didn't show you guys the full outfit look. So yeah, this is it right here. It's cute. I love the black on my skin. But anyways, everyone is waiting for me, so let's head over.
Is it waterproof?
No.
It's not waterproof.
I bet.
I thought it was waterproof.
We're about to go on the boat ride.
Babe,
Give me my phone.
Show ya. Show me the car where you turn me on. The way you tell me you want me down. Done it. I done this before you fall. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. Cause you love to have them all crying. Calling me sweet, telling me you need me. But I'm from a city that's high school. I give them this anymore, I go. Cause you a bad man, she don't love money. She break hearts real fast like conman. Wanna swim down to the deep end. Wanna know all my secrets, honestly. Can you keep it real? Cause honestly, I can tell that you're real fond of me. Baby, don't be shy, I can see it in your eyes. I've been running around. Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it, how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it, how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Take it, baby, maybe I ain't scared to take it. Oh, and maybe when I take it, oh, I feel it coming down too strong. Cause I want you, and it's hard to resist. Cause I need you, and it's hard, baby, yeah, cause I believe ya. Hold me tight, holding on tonight. Holding a couple, no get to you clean and proper. Way I move, I know we can love her. You gon' have me on your mind forever, ever. Thanks, baby, turn it down like a sweet and ready. Go slow, keep it nice and steady. Know that you've been keeping patience. Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it, how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it, how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Show ya. Show me the car where you turn me on. The way you tell me you want me down.
Pasta salad, not pasta. What did you think it was going to be?
Pasta salad.
Just one. Our starters just came. We are having lunch. Yeah. Her.
Maybe if
It's I ordered ampesi and Ghana egg stew. It just came. It's looking so good, so freaking good. All right. This is Mendy's food. Everyone's food hasn't come yet, but it's Mendy got jollof and chicken. Good.
Hey, snap back to earth, bro. How you doing, fam?
It's giving what's supposed to give.
What going on, guys?
She's
She's eating shito raw. Like, what is wrong with you?
That's not natural. I said the shito is nice. I'll use it, don't worry.
I'll eat the egg or something.
I can say it. And I
People that make noise.
You what? You jam it in.
The people that really cook will not bring out instant.
Remove this and remove this, please.
Yeah, that looks really good.
Rahim got a seafood starter.
Check if you like it.
Can you take it off?
I should have got this. I should have got this.
Even the chunkies are. I feel it's strong, 1%.
Yeah, but I hope the seafood is actually nice.
That's the thing.
This is butter sauce,
I hope
right?
it's nice.
Nice.
This guy.
I will talk with you. He's gone.
One way I'm here.
I will tell you.
You go to Charlie, why they talk plenty? Take on coming.
Good morning, guys. It's our last and final day here. We're actually leaving today in like 2 hours. We got breakfast. I just want to show you guys and then I'll close out the vlog.
We're leaving. Sad music. Sad music. Sad music activates. Put us at the They are leaving. Mandy spam. I'll take everyone's view, please. I mean, it was fun, I guess. The only problem this place has is hot water.
They don't have good hot water. They have bad.
They are not even the jacuzzis alone. They're washroom, like they're bathroom stuff.
Yeah, even the back. You see, I told you it was the same heaters that we used to get.
Coconut. Mandy Spain.
Hi. I still hate coconut water, by the way.
So we're ending the vlog with some coconut water.
Everyone, come and say bye.
Your impression on the place?
I loved it, but the jacuzzis are all coming
Yeah.
English palm chug here only.
Mandy Spam.
She and Janiece should do challenge.
Nah,
We don't
Jaja
like
doesn't like
coconut like
coconut
us.
water.
How are we doing it? Came like this.
Chug with her.
Everyone say bye. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Yes. Give everyone blow a kiss.
Give a thumbs up.
Thumbs up, subscribe, and come to
Sogakope.
Yes.
Why are you flagging this?
It's true. Where am I?
Subscribe or 100 years of bad luck.
Hey. Yeah, what he said. Bye, guys.
Some from that.